Part 2, Execution. General. 36. Application to orders. 37. Definition of court which passed a decree. Courts by which decrees may be executed. 38. Court by which decree may be executed. 39. Transfer of decree. 40. Transfer of decree to court in another state. 41. Result of execution proceedings to be certified. 42. Powers of court in executing transferred decree. 43. Execution of decrees passed by civil courts in places to which this code does not extend. 44. Execution of decrees passed by revenue courts in places to which this code does not extend. 44a. Execution of decrees passed by courts in reciprocating territory. 45. Execution of decrees outside India. 46. Precepts. Questions to be determined by court executing decree. 47. Questions to be determined by the court executing decree. Limit of time for execution. 48. Repealed. Transferees and legal representatives. 49. Transferee. Sections 50. Legal representative. Procedure and execution, sections 51 to 54. 51. Powers of court to enforce execution. 52. Enforcement of decree against legal representative. 53. Liability of ancestral property. 54. Partition of estate or separation of share. Arrest and detention, sections 55 to 59. 55. Arrest and detention. 56. Prohibition of arrest or detention of women in execution of decree for money. 57. Subsistence allowance. 58. Detention and release. 59. Release on ground of illness. Attachment, sections 60 to 63. 60. Property liable to attachment and sale in execution of decree. 61. Partial exemption of agricultural produce. 62. Seizure of property in dwelling house. 63. Property attached in execution of decrees of several courts. 64. Private alienation of property after attachment to be void. Sale, sections 65 to 67. 65. Purchaser's title. 66. Repealed. 67. Power for state government to make rules as to sales of land in execution of decrees for payment of money. Delegation to collector of power to execute decrees against immovable property. 68 to 72. Repealed. Distribution of assets. 73. Proceeds of execution sale to be ratably distributed among decree holders. Resistance to execution. 74. Resistance to execution.